Hello, Long Yisa. Today is Saturday, March 14. Me and my sister-in-law, we're about to go hiking.
Hi. Hello, good morning. We are about to start to hiking at the Lagoon Valley, Vacaville, California. Okay, let's go. Follow us.
Go.
I thought may stop the one guy. Stop the.
Look at those doggies.
Let me go and then you
Wow. And this is what, the whole lake?
Yeah, this is the whole lake. Look at all these keys. Warm ẩn tiền á.
Chúng ta hiểu ập worm.
Warm keys. Rồi to nữa bữa.
Yeah, they're so beautiful. I hope nobody hurt them. Wow, you got a pretty bird. So we're gonna go bathroom first before we go start our day. Because
Let's go this way.
See, the trail is right here. Ooh, look, lots of cow. Here is where we at. So we're gonna go challenge ourselves. We're gonna go to the steep one. So I'm gonna follow my sister. And look at the cow. Moo. Moo, moo, moo. So my sister-in-law said we're gonna challenge ourselves. We're gonna go to the difficult one. So I don't know what is difficult and what is not difficult. But let's see how many hours we go and how many miles and steps we got. I'm so happy I get to go out like this. Feeling good in the morning? Feel good nhỉ?
Yeah. Làng như giàu cô.
Oh yeah, she's so
Làng như giàu
cool.
cô giảm mát giàu giờ đâu có my allergy.
No allergy. So far, no allergy. Even though we have a lot of flower, different type of flower back there, but no allergy. Good morning.
Bạn như bây giờ mấy ca miền ở như vừa đâu á, cô dâm quá cô nhớ quá chẳng nhưห้องแอร์ก็อยู่จะกงห้ามมาเจียวชดชาชดแต่ว่าหันในอยู่อีหอยแต่นายเดี๋ยวเนี่ยบ่หอยจังอย่างบงในอยู่บ่แต่ชดหันในฝาบงอย่างเจ้าอย่างตุ๊ลงจุดแต่ชดชาออก
Nãy những cái dàn chớp rồi, hải khô cơ.
ปาแต่บงหายขวนโล
Going uphill, we are tired. Nè, lại sấp tông này ní. Nhiều lại khu à, sẵn nhá mà. This kind.
นี่แต่เฮียไล่คู่เขา
Mày nhận chia nha.
เฮียเราปัดดอยเนี่ยนะ
Mày nhận chia nha.
นี่หยันในกลุ่มก็หยันเปียงหยันว่านี่เปี้ยวฮะ
Ôi, nhận tiêu. Okay, I take more video when we go up. Steep. Woo. We're not up high yet, but we going up. Are you gonna go up the stair over the fan? Okay, I follow the professional. Look, they have fan for you to go up.
nhon trùng luôn
Okay, mày nhon pin mà.
như là kiếm
Be careful, sis.
yeah.
Good job. My turn. Okay, go down. Have to use the
chị
booty.
chả như là kiếm mà tụi nhon cái nó tông vào cho nên hay giờ đó là kiếm hay nhai bây giờ
Make it. We're gonna go up there. Look how far it is. So we're gonna go. Oh, that side farther. If we go down, we go farther, but we're gonna go this way. Let's go, sis. So we have way to go up. But I just want to show you guys down here how beautiful this is. Look at God creation. So beautiful. So beautiful. Wow, the big boat go away. Where you go, boat? Good morning. That's an eagle or something, I'm not sure. Wow, be careful when you go. There's a hole in here. Not sure what's inside. It's just dirt, no gold. No gold. No California gold. Another hole coming up right here. Oh, what happened? Why there's hole? This right here is a cow poop. Right here. Before I did not know that's cow poop. It smells cow poop around here, but it's okay, no problem. Those are new homes. They're building new homes. And over there, that's freeway. What's the name of the freeway? I-80?
I-80.
I-80 freeway. And I don't know what's that. Water. Water.
Selfie.
Selfie, yes. It's so beautiful. We have to
selfie đó, phải video rồi. That's the one. Nhìn cá gì vậy anh cá này đó.
So beautiful. We had to take a lot of pictures for memory.
Yeah. So nhiều luôn.
Yeah, so bright now. Beautiful tree. One tree so far. Okay. Not sure if we go left or we go right. Which way we go, sis?
Go this way.
Go that way? Okay.
Yeah. You want a photo here?
Okay. Oh, look at cow. Moo, moo, moo. Cow are having breakfast in the morning. You guys having breakfast? Enjoy. We about to go the highest one. Not the highest, but it's gonna be steep.
Very steep, yeah.
It's gonna be steep.
Steep mountain.
Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna be See, walk is so pretty. Everything in here is so beautiful. Love it. It's gonna be steep like this. Oh yeah, you guys see? Okay, good luck.
You see it?
สัญญาณก็จะอยู่เป็นน้องบงป่าบุงจุยนี่เสีย
Trang tầm xịa rồi, tại cái nó tà bông xịa hiker.
Hiker. Oh, this one's steep. Phá thật quẩy. Nhưng mà cả.
Khuẩn tẩu.
Oh, yeah.
You will exercise the lung. We need to exercise the lung. This is very good way to exercise lung. Open my lung.
I take a
This
break.
what I'm saying. It's very steep. When you walk, your face is close to the ground. Your face is almost close to the ground. Stick to the ground.
It doesn't look steep, but it actually really steep.
What a good hiking.
Walking to heaven. Almost there. Almost there to the top. Wow, how green is this? So green. Even little flower are pretty. And the sky, so blue too. Clear blue sky, no pollutions. And you see the whole lake.
We didn't track how many miles that we walked today.
I think your watch track for you automatically, no?
It automatically, but I did not check in
Oh.
through it. I should start tracking it. But forget it.
Look at that tree. I like that tree over there. Let me go over there, the tree. So Nyam wonder what's that ball. Tree have ball too, see? On the left hand side, tree have ball. Someone cut the hand. Look, they have swing.
Actually, that's
Okay, sis, you go swing.
Yeah.
You swing and then let me cut you swing.
Okay.
This thing right here is pokey.
Oh, how can I get up in there?
It poke you. Oh, it's high?
I can't even get on it.
Oh my goodness. I thought it's easy to go
Hop
up.
on, but I can't hop on. It's too hard for me.
Oh, someone it's not made by the stake, it's made by someone, a hiker. Woo! This is cow poop, very big.
Can't put the hell stink.
Stinky and big. Wow! Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Sis, you're so gorgeous. Sis, you stay there, I'll take a picture of you.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna selfie.
Okay. You gonna get it? It's not on.
Chee. Wow, those two birds are big. What are you guys eating? Oh, they are crow. Crow, black bird. You have to spit out for good luck. Or else you might get bad luck. The pokey thing is beautiful. Let me see your picture. You take very good picture. We're still on the walk. People walk about that lake for 1 hour only. It takes them 1 hour to complete. Oh, sis cannot hear me. Maybe 1 hour only. Hiking making us so happy. Happy, happy, happy. Cow go moo. My backpack make noise. Backpack have water, have egg, have nut, just in case we get thirsty. Open space. Okay, we're gonna keep going and going and going. Go some more. Go some more. What a beautiful day. It's not hot. It's perfect to hike. During summertime, this area is like 100 degrees. No thanks, I'm good. Now or never. I mean now or winter time. Winter, winter. She's so strong. My sister is so strong. Another puppy thing. So much cow poop everywhere in California. I don't know who's the owner. Tell the owner to pick up your cow poop. I pick up my dog poop. Just kidding. Just kidding. Cow poop is healthy. You can put on your gardening. And your vegetable gonna be so beautiful and yummy. Cement is hard to hide. I'm not a fan of cement. It's ugly. Beautiful lady, she said beautiful, yeah. Lots of beautiful lady come hide. Healthy, healthy ladies. Hello, hi, you guys are beautiful.
You too.
Thank you. Hey sis, do we sound like a horsey the way we walk?
Yes.
They make a lot of noise. Sorry, if you're using a earphone, you will hear earbud. Oh, cow. More cow. They don't bother you. You don't bother them.
ความสุขในการเดินทาง hiking
ความสุขเดินการ hiking
ความสุขในการ hiking
ความสุขในการ hiking This one is
ดู
a
ธรรมชา
female
ติสวยๆได้ดูธรรมชาติสวยงามนั่นคือความสุขในการเดินทางในการ hiking ออกกำลังกาย
I don't speak Thai I have no idea what my sister say but she says pass that thing just know that she always talk pass that thing So beautiful Hello good morning
เดี๋ยวจะเบอร์วะอาตาหนูเหล็กไม้แล้ววะ682
ใครจะซื้อเลย682นะคะ
ดีว่าตัดจื้อมาเด้อ
ยิบยี่ตู้ให้682เนี่ย
ค่ะ Don't get mad at me okay Your number 682ดีว่า
ฮะ
ตัดจื้อฟัดแต่ดีจะเบอร์บุญจะทายเนี่ยหนูเหล็กไม้แล้วนะ682
ยี่ตู้เนี่ยไปยี่มาตัดมิงฟัดดิ
ดูมตัวเนี้ย
This one not sure
Hi Momo Hi Momo นะกันนะจะเบอร์นะ
Okay some people do buy Look at this so beautiful huh Wow extremely
682
beautiful
แต่มันเต็มเปี้ยวแต่เนี่ยก้มเต็มเปี้ยวแต่นะ
Yeah brand new house new home
Later on it's gonna be all the way up here the house
Oh yeah you see that it's not even done built the one on the left You guys see that zigzag right there Can you see it Like that Right there Yeah that's cute I love it. It's just so beautiful to me. Look at that zigzag. How beautiful that is. And then the pattern. Look like a Hawaii, but we actually in California, Vacaville. Oh, we come from far away. Look, way far away. Oh, you can see Sacramento over there. The car hovering over there. Oh. And the mountain over there, that's Mount Diablo. Diablo. She says she's sweating like crazy.
Oh, it's so nice breathe up here in the mountain.
This is the highest we can go?
Yeah, this is the highest top of the mountain.
Okay, we came all the way to the heights in this
The top of mountain.
place. And see, people are coming down. We can't go farther. So people go is to go from parking lot all the way up here, then they go back. Let's see what they have up here. But if I want to go farther, I can go down there. Yeah, let me go all the way to the top real quick. You guys saw them early biking.
There's the Vacaville city right here.
Okay, you gotta look at Vacaville City. Unless they have got a camp for people to do things away.
That's prison right there. Vacaville prison.
Oh,
That prison right here.
that's a
Prison facility.
prison like a jail or
Jail, yeah.
Wow.
đó cái đi là lô lô nè đó cái gì nhiều lô
จะถ่ายไว้เหรอยู
cook
cook
yeah
อันนี้ cook ค่ะ and then this is the ending oh shoot but we about to go that way
yeah
yeah okay so we continue our journey okay my sister says this is so beautiful she actually write those in here this is a Thai garbage okay and there's a chair for you to sit and relax going down baby we're not going down we're going for more
different round
we pay $5.45 per day but you could pay 6 years for $25
no 6 months
or 6 months for $25
I think right now it's increased a little bit
Maybe-
higher
she said before it's $3 now increase to $5.45 a day
oh I need a rest
okay no you don't you just want to say that
I'm gonna
and
sip of water
sis where are we again
huh
where are we again
we are at Lagoon Valley Vacaville
Lagoon
Lagoon Valley Trail
okay and we will continue okay
Video
but first
Vacaville. The other side is Vacaville. This
Oh.
side is Vacaville.
this side is Fairfield the other side Vacaville this side is Malenho
This
over
side
there is
between Fairfield
Benicia
and Vacaville.
and then you can see San Francisco over there over there over there over there over there over there all right we were caught I was caught okay we have to go around circle you see the fan the fan is in now we're going downhill we go around the circle we don't go back to where we come from and it's so beautiful at the end of this hiking I will show you guys how many steps we have how many miles we walk all right I see the same thing so beautiful that's why I see too beautiful look like a น้ำตก oh my 2 guys are coming see I let them pass me first okay sis I'm gonna let them pass me first and then look like a waterfall down there fall in the middle that we see along the way and I want you guys to see too I hope you guys don't mind to see what I see oh I don't know those are lamb or sheep the white stuff over there probably eating grass but see we're closer to the houses the 2 guys so fast because they have bike they're all the way over there to the left look at this so nice everything nice I said nice all day that's the only word I know how to use so beautiful so nice another bite wow sis look how close we are to the cow again oh cow blocking the way oh
He got the trail.
the cow will not move so you gotta move I'm scared I'm very scared thank you move out the way look he very respectful he move out the way probably we come from over there all the way there we go around in a circle around the circle because we try to put more step into our leg we try to make it worse
fresh water นะcái đi underground water แต่น่ะจริงแต่ไม่ได้ว่า chemical
water come from here You say mountain water fast. We could drink, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you're so big, baby. It's still nursery.
Drinking milk, huh?
Still drinking milk. Cái này nhỏ điểm điếp như vậy, ngon ma nhỏ.
Oh, milk is leaking. Can I have the extra leaking to the ground? I'm hungry. Loping. Look. We go like this and we go like that. See?
Oh,
And then zigzag. Oh, go walk. The cow is running. I don't know where they go. Giống như tôi ngon thiếu miền Hải thiếu. Where you guys going? Why you guys running? Let me know. I join you. Cheng như là. Yeah. Okay nhé. Ứng dụng house and personal. The house look like this. You guys should go take a look.
Condominium là hàng có single home nhé.
It look like single
This
home.
is single home.
Big single home.
Yeah. Giờ mà chicken có được đấy quá. Điểm chỗ nữa rồi. If I have got chỗ này here ingredient chăm hảわ?
No, sis, don't cook. Because I still have to go. Sis,
เจ็ด3ในเลขท้าย2ตัวฮะ
2 ตัว
Even like the last end two number. Daily 2.
73. And this one try to ignore me. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
น้ำ828
828นะคะ
Yeah, you can buy that daily 3 right there.
Daily
8 to
3.
8.
โอ้ไม่ชอบtake picture. Oh, we almost make it back. We almost.
Almost there. ผ้าตะงูยังว่า different color.
Okay, we're going back. Look, we have
โอ้นี่เปียกเลยอันนี้เข้าอยู่เกิดทุกทุกปี
yellow and white, and then black.
เปียกยังนะ
So, which one look delicious? This one delicious or this one delicious? I'm hungry. Oh, this one look, the face, so cute.
โอ้นี่มันมานี่เว้ยมา
They have mommy, daddy.
baby.
Mommy,
This is the mommy
daddy.
right here. 393.
393.
That's the lucky daily 3 number.
393. Hello,
390.
393. You sexy 390.
Yeah.
You beautiful.
393 daily 3 lucky number.
The gate right there. After we pass the gate, we have to go to the parking. Oh, look at the baby. Hey,
cute.
baby. Hello, baby. You cutie baby. Baby. We are Asians. We will come hiking with umbrella, because we don't like sunburn. We don't want to get skin cancer. This mountain, we are down to the park area, to the playground, and they have table, and you could actually barbecue out here. Let's go and look at the pond or the lake. Oh, a lot of geese, duck, poo-poo. You have to watch your step because we don't want step on the poop. Wow,
เป็นซอยไม่อยากนะ
so pretty. Oh, it smells fishy. I think you might have fish out here. They are loud. These two are not loud. But those one over there are loud. Why you loud, huh? JK. Oh. Careful, kid. See, people are birdie, people are barbecuing or potluck. Oh no, they're grilling. I see the grill moving. I see smoking. People bring the dog. It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
มีก็เห็นแต่ซี่แล้ว
Oh yeah, look beautiful.
1,400 no 14,136 step.
Wow, good job. Very, very good. So we start at about 7:30,
Something like
7:40. Because I got to your house 7:10, so maybe 7:40.
that. I didn't remember.
And right now it's 10,
Six is like
10:40.
6.01 mile. We made.
Whoa, we are within 6
We did
miles.
very good.
Okay, 6 miles within 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10, 3 hours. So 1 mile,
And-
30 minutes is 1 mile.
Yeah, 530 calorie burn.
Good job, sis. I'm so
Yeah.
happy for us. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.